So, welcome back to Questions in the Park. I've got another question here that's coming from Alan in Brighton, who's actually asked me why did I start Renovate Australia, what are the main reasons that I started up the business. And the simple answer to that is that over 16 years I had another private lending business. I still have this business today called Direct Line Finance, and as part of that business we had probably, I would say, renovated or gotten sale ready approximately 100 plus homes to bring to market. So as a result of those systems and IPs, we actually saw a number of people that didn't get their home ready in time, they didn't get it sale ready in time, they didn't do a whole bunch of things that they could have done really, really well. And you know, it only took me 16 years to get there, but finally after 16 years I decided that this was an area that really could use some help with my expertise and my IP. And you know, I think it's something that I'm really excited about, because basically we're sort of turning homeowners into renovators and getting these people to realise the value of bringing together the right teams, the right trades, right agents, the right extended payment terms. And that brings real value to people that are ultimately selling their homes. So they're not forced into a situation where they have to sell it for unders, you know, under what it's worth. They can sell it for top dollar and basically realise something that, you know, they might have been living in for 25 years that they had a really good experience with. Not they lived in it for 25 years and then they got forced out of the property because they couldn't quite figure out how to renovate it properly and get the best result for it. So look, at this stage, Alan, you know, this particular business for me is it's almost like a hobby business. It's something that I see as a real niche for people. I'm hoping to get the word out because I think it's a great product. I think it can really help a lot of people, and you know, hopefully it does turn into a big business one day, but we're still very much in the testing grounds, and it's just something that I picked up from another business that I think would be able to help a lot of people, and hopefully it all works out.